Welcome to Lessons in Life and Medicine with Dr. Stephanie Wellington, giving modern physicians a new perspective in and out of the hospital.
Welcome to Lessons in Life and Medicine. I'm Dr. Stephanie Wellington, and I'm excited about this episode where we're going to talk about clarifying your vision. I meet doctors in many different arenas. I meet them at medical conferences, in clinical settings, and by referral. And I'm noticing a trend. The trend is that we are keenly aware of what we do not want to experience in medicine. But when it comes to what we do want, we're less specific. We go to conferences and read about physician burnout and the way it's negatively impacting doctors' lives. We know firsthand how the EMR has negatively impacted our doctor-patient relationships as we spend less and less quality time in patient care activities. And we're learning how to navigate the terrain as we integrate work-life balance into our lives and careers. I ask doctors a follow-up question. That question is, what do you want for your life and career? What's your vision? And that's when doctors are way less specific. How is it that as medical students, residents, and attending physicians, we are high-achieving peak performers, but when it comes to other areas of our life, we pretty much let things show up by default? I think what's happened is that we've spent 4 years in medical school, followed by 3 or more years in training. And during that time, the primary focus was acquiring the knowledge and the skills to become doctors. That's followed by becoming an attending, where our focus is on patient care, patient outcomes, and the business of medicine. We have been left out of the conversation. And we have also fallen into the trap of leaving ourselves out of that conversation. It's time to break that cycle. It's time to get clear about your vision for your life and career. And we'll do that by using an exercise that clients use. For this exercise, you'll need 2 sheets of paper. On the first sheet of paper, you're going to write out all the things that you do not want to experience in medicine. These are the things that leave you feeling drained at the end of the day. These are the experiences that leave you frustrated as you wait for patients to arrive in your clinic, or you're waiting for your team to prepare for a procedure. I want you to write out everything that you find yourself complaining about or feeling drained and negative energy around. Write that out on that sheet of paper. And once you've completed that, put that paper aside, because we focused on that long enough. On your second sheet of paper, I want you to write out all the things that you do want to experience in medicine, even if you think you haven't experienced it yet. And I want you to be very specific, and I want you to suspend all doubt. Because oftentimes we don't look to what we can have in medicine because we doubt that it will happen. So I'm going to give you a few question prompts to get you started. For example, who are your patients that you are truly meant to serve? Are they showing up on time for your appointments? How do they feel when they have completed their visit with you? How do you feel once you've completed your visit with them? What about your support staff and your teams? How are they supporting your success? I think you get the idea. Continue to expand on this list and let it also go out into the other areas of your life. Once you've completed this list, you've completed step 1. Now you're going to move on to step 2. In step 2, you are going to go on a treasure hunt. And that second list that you just created of the things that you do want, that list is your treasure map. Over the course of the next week or even longer, I want you to see how many things on that list that you can check off because it's already present in your life. You may be surprised and find out that there are more things on that list that you can check off than you originally thought. I'd love to hear about what you've discovered while doing this exercise. Did you discover something new about your journey? Connect with me via email at stephanie@nurturingmds.com. This is Dr. Stephanie Wellington of Nurturing MDs. If you haven't done so already, visit nurturingmds.com to download the 5 lessons in life and medicine. When you do, you'll receive these video tips delivered directly to your inbox. I don't want you to miss this valuable content that helps physicians own their value, recognize their strengths, and balance their lives. Till next time.